Hey, what's up, everybody? Today I'm here to talk about Old Bay seasoning. And Old Bay is used for me for crabs, blue crabs, Maryland blue crabs. Also, I say Chesapeake Bay because Chesapeake Bay runs through Maryland and Virginia, and I think Delaware. But anyway, but now you can get the Old Bay seasoning with the snow crabs. So, and these are fully cooked, and let's try them out. And you can get these in your, I guess, your local grocery store. Anyway, let's try them out. And anyway, I'm gonna throw this in the microwave. When you reheating crab meat, it is so light that it doesn't take a lot of time. So let's try these at about. You want to start off low, so just throw them in there. And yeah, here's just a quick note. You could probably hit the reheat button if your microwave has that, and it'll reheat it on its own. And let's do it for a minute. Okay, the minute is up, and let's see. They feel like they're getting there, so I would say add another 30 seconds to it. I'm gonna flip them over, and let's do 30 more seconds. Okay, so minute and 30 seconds, and let's see how they taste. See if they're cooked or reheated. Okay, it's time for the taste test, and I got my butter. Gotta have butter. Delicious. So there you go. Cook for about between a minute, 30 seconds, to 2 minutes with the Old Bay crabs. And there you go. Big B signing off. Peace.